Isn't it amazing how AI is changing everything and it's happening so fast?
Okay, so according to Dastakop's article, even though AI gives us answers instantly, it's now harder to judge if those answers are right for the situation.
Right? It's not about the technical correctness, but whether the answer is appropriate and what happens if we act on it, right?
Exactly. It's like we used to own the answers because we struggled to find them, but now ownership doesn't come automatically.
So AI gives us possibilities faster than we can actually process them, offering clarity before we even know what we want clarity for.
Right. It's not a problem that can be solved with better prompts. It requires a different kind of pause. It's about understanding if we're responsible enough to act on the information.
Okay, so it's not just about expanding our thinking, but making sure AI doesn't conclude our thinking for us, right?
Right, and that this means resisting the temptation to outsource responsibility, which is kind of hard.
The author also mentions the need for a middle ground between technical and philosophical writing when it comes to AI. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. It's like we need to think about how humans should think when intelligence is shared. So how to hold systems and awareness together.
So it's about ethics and meaning, not just describing machines or quoting philosophy, right?
Yeah, it's about accepting complexity and responsibility at the same time. It's really not easy. Anyway, all of this makes sense in our AI-driven world.
Okay, so AI needs direction, not control. And clarifying outcomes reduces the impulse to control, right?
Exactly. Dastakop says control increases when clarity decreases. Makes sense. If you define the outcome well, then relevance is easier to judge.
Okay, that's a lot to think about. It's been great breaking it down like this.